You are paying $5,000 a month for a team of virtual assistants. They perform market research, qualify leads, and draft content. Now, what if I told you that by Q3 2026, a single AI system could execute those same tasks with higher accuracy for less than 10% of the cost? This isn't a hypothetical. This is the operational reality of a new model, AI Team as a Service, or AITaaS. The simple automations you've built in Zapier or Make.com are child's play. We are talking about true multi-agent workflow automation. Forget prompting. We are entering the era of architecting. In the next 9 minutes, I will provide the complete blueprint on how to build AI agent teams and capture your first high-ticket retainer client in 2026. Let's deconstruct the core concept. A single AI, like the models from OpenAI or Google, is a powerful generalist. However, complex business processes require specialists working in concert. This is the foundation of multi-agent systems. Imagine a digital assembly line. Instead of one worker trying to build an entire car, you have specialized robotic arms for each step. One agent sources raw data, another analyzes it for sentiment, a third drafts a report, and a fourth verifies the facts. This is precisely how frameworks like CrewAI and LangChain function. They allow you to define distinct AI agents with unique roles, tools, and goals, and then set them loose on a collaborative task under the supervision of a master agent. The quiet replacement has already begun. Junior roles like business development representatives and market research analysts are the first to be augmented, then automated. Their work is highly structured, data-driven, and follows a repeatable process, perfect for an AI team. Why is this happening now? The technology has crossed a critical threshold. The models are more capable, and crucially, the orchestration layers, the platforms that manage the agents, are becoming accessible through no-code interfaces. The market has been waiting for this. We anticipate the mainstream launch of enterprise-grade no-code AI agent builder platforms in Q1 2026. This is the inflection point where the opportunity shifts from developers to strategic operators like you. An AI team as a service provider doesn't sell software. You sell an outcome. You build, deploy, and manage a bespoke automated workflow pod that solves a specific business problem for a monthly retainer. Think of it. You're not a freelancer. You are the manager of a tireless, infinitely scalable digital workforce. Your clients don't need to understand CrewAI or Google's Vertex AI. They just need the 50 qualified leads you deliver every week. The value proposition is undeniable. A small business paying $60,000 a year for a 2-person research team can achieve superior results by paying you $36,000 a year for an automated system. The math is simple, and the transition is inevitable. This isn't about replacing every human. It's about reallocating human capital to strategy, creativity, and client relationships, while autonomous agents execute the procedural, repetitive work with flawless efficiency. Now that you understand the what and the why, let's pivot to the how. I will now illustrate the exact transformation path from where you are today to becoming a sought-after AI team architect in 2026.
Consider the case of Alex, a freelance marketing consultant. Alex spends 15 hours a week manually compiling competitive intelligence reports for 3 clients. This work is tedious, billable at a low rate, and a bottleneck to scaling the business. Alex feels trapped, trading time for money in a race to the bottom. The simple automations are insufficient for the complex analysis required. This is a classic pain point that multi-agent workflow automation is designed to solve. Hearing about the potential of AITaaS, Alex decides to build an AI agent team. Using a no-code AI agent builder, Alex architects a 3-agent pod. This is not about coding, it's about strategic design. Agent 1 is the market scanner. Its goal is to continuously monitor news, social media, and SEC filings for 10 target competitors. It has access to real-time web search tools. Agent 2 is the strategic analyst. It receives the raw data from the scanner. Its goal is to identify threats and opportunities, analyzing pricing changes, marketing campaigns, and new feature launches. Agent 3 is the executive briefer. It takes the structured analysis from the analyst and drafts a concise, human-readable weekly report, complete with key takeaways and recommended actions. The entire workflow, once 15 hours of manual labor, now runs autonomously. Alex's role shifts from a doer to an overseer, spending 1 hour a week reviewing the AI-generated reports before sending them to clients. This is the transformation. Alex now packages this capability as an automated competitive intelligence service for $4,000 per month. Alex can now serve 10 clients with less effort than it previously took to serve 3. This is not science fiction. By Q3 2026, we will see the first public case studies from early adopters, demonstrating over 70.
Step 4. Build, test, and iterate. Your first AI agent team will not be perfect. You must run tests, analyze the outputs, and refine the instructions for each agent. Is the researcher pulling irrelevant data? Tighten its search parameters. This iterative process is where your value lies. You are fine-tuning a complex machine. The goal is to create a reliable, autonomous system that consistently produces the desired outcome with minimal human intervention. Step 5. Package and sell the outcome. This is the final and most important step. Do not sell multi-agent workflow automation. Sell 20 hours of market research done overnight. Sell a guaranteed pipeline of 50 qualified leads per month. Frame your offer as AI Team as a Service. You provide the outcome, powered by your proprietary automated system, for a flat monthly retainer. This model provides you with recurring revenue and positions you as a high-value strategic partner. The tools are materializing. The market demand is clear. The opportunity is to move from being a service provider who uses their time to a systems builder who leverages automated workforces. The barrier to entry for creating immense value has never been lower, but the window of opportunity is finite. Those who learn how to build AI agent teams in 2026 will become the architects of the new SMB operational standard. We will be dissecting the top no-code AI agent builder platforms as they launch. To ensure you do not miss these critical intelligence briefings,